Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so just general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current, status of the chart whenever you are watching this video. The big thing that has occurred over the last 24 hours since my last update on Bitcoin was that the price is now in the middle of a breakout of what? Well, this red line right here at the 8,100 mark. So good to see that the price has now been able to push through. And this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has noticed the same thing and is now wondering the same question. And when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting dynamics. But everybody now is wondering, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is this the breakout, just kind of the first domino to fall before, it gets that much more continuation? I have no idea, but the easy way to watch this, and this is what segues into the first question to ask yourself, and this question is based around a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that question is nothing fancy, so we'll just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Where is the price at relative to 8,100? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above 8,100 at the moment you're watching this video, then hey, that tells you that this breakout is still underway. Now, on the flip side, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is back below 8,100, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? I'm not saying that. But, if the price, let's just say down around here, well, then that's just a fake breakout, right? Because truly strong breakouts that have genuine power, well, the price is not going to go back to where it was, right? And if you're answering the question, 15 hours from now, 20 hours from now, that the price is down below 8,100, well, that would imply that the price is literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Now, in some strange situation, if you're answering the question that the price is, all the way down here below 7,600, at that point, there's severe problems, but I'd be very, very shocked if you were answering the question in that way. But that's why 8,100 is very important going forward. Is this a very straightforward way to gauge, is this the start of something bigger or not? Now, how strong of a breakout? So let's say this is the start of something bigger. How strong of a breakout? Well, that's where gut instincts, common sense needs to come into play. Meaning, if you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, right now the price is right there at 8,200. Don't get me wrong, that's good. That's a good sign that the price is staying above 8,100. But if you're answering the question 15 hours from now that the price is up there at 8,700, well, in that situation, that's clearly, not only was this the start of something bigger, but the price and momentum has gained that much more strength. So from from that angle of things, gut instincts, common sense will take you very far. So all in all, though, 8,100 definitely a very important level going forward. So let's see if the price can stay above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.